Tonight, I'm going to be here manning the live stream. I'll be here attending the live stream. I think Kim's going to go over here with the Valiant. You're working on the pickup bed of the Valiant. If she needs help, maybe she'll call me over there. If I need help, maybe she'll come over here, help with the chat.
You should have, if you're talking to the people, you should have your face on there as well. It should be both.
Yeah. Okay. So, but you asked me to put it over there, so put it over there. Anyway, they bought this big piece of furniture. It was like $800 in 1961.
Yeah, it would have.
My father was making about $400 a month. So that was like 2 months.
Crazy money.
Wages for a TV set. And of course, when something would go.
Yeah, now we've just all been trained to throw everything away.
Shit. Okay, let's do it. I can't give you the $25 from here, but when I get to the house after the live stream, I'll take care of that. And thank you. Kevin Smith says, why is it showing my block? I don't think it showed you blocked him. I think it just showed that you deleted one of his messages. I don't know why that happened. I just assumed you did. Carby Joe says the early jets were intolerant of mistakes. Yep. A lot of airplanes are intolerant of mistakes. Oh, well, I know. When you said goodbye to your wife, you did it. Yeah, Vietnam has a whole bad deal. I'm scrolling through here.
Okay.
And I do not see Tavo. I do not see Tavo.
How did Tavo get, what, completely blocked?
Well, I don't know. It says, Kevin says, why is it showing I blocked Tavo?
For the night. Hasta Roche.
Hasta Roche.
Hasta Roche. Hasta la vista. That means goodbye in Schwarzenegger.
Barry Cooter says the Beachcombers was a popular Canadian show. It seems that it wasn't on TV in America.
I don't remember it.
See, the Beachcombers, never heard of it. Yeah, we didn't have that yet. how's the weather up there? You still cold or is it getting warmed up? We're getting warmed up.
There we go, we're getting gas now.
And Braden says, I miss Gearhead. Yeah. Yeah, that was upsetting. Oh, Tom. Hey, folks, just been reading back. Yeah, I'm still here, kind of. I was in call for 10 minutes. Oh, something happened. I gotta scroll back. People talking to me. I can't tell. I mean, it's just scroll by and I can't respond to anything. Dan, a lot happened while I wasn't talking.
Good enough.
Dr. goes, hey, good evening. And the Mexican. Yes, Pablo. Something happened. Kevin Smith, it says he took you away or something. He didn't do it. We don't know what happened. So Kim was trying to get you back. And while she was doing that, she made you into a mod. So I don't know what happened.
So you're a mod now.
So now you're blue.
Don't worry, we won't push you too hard.
Then Braden says, sprechen Sie Deutsch? So you speak German? Gabrielce Paninevsky? That's it. In Russian, I'm asking if you speak German. Tavo says, opens 3:15, closes 4:15. School bus arrives 3:45, so they open to coincide with the parents collecting kids. Well, that's convenient. And Mexican Spec says, I have a whole new batch for Saturday's show. Okay, that'll be good. Rabbi Jones witnessed the whole war from John Bart to the Japanese surrender. That was when me and my sister had TVs at the foot of our beds.
Wow.
In the late 50s. Who was it? I read it while Kim was cutting. Somebody said that, who was it said you don't want to clean the...
Ow! Oh! Oh, that tool is evil!
It pinched you?
Oh, that hurt so bad.
Tim pinched herself with that pair of...
Oh, did it get me so bad? Right in the... Oh! In a painful spot. No, I'm not welding on this tonight.
No, I said, okay, so we can still take it outside and grind
We're gonna
the...
have to.
Okay, good, okay. I
Weld
just wanted to make sure you weren't...
No, I'm not gonna weld on my galvanized.
Sheet metal curly fries. Yeah, we got sheet metal curly fries.
Yeah, those things are worth special. Gosh.
Barracuda says, when TV was new here, my mother and father went to a... You know what? We got an engine from Tony. It was a slant six that had water in it. In the cylinders, they were all rusty. So we honed it. So we got rid of the rust. And they were about 8,000 square food. I also like quick draw McGraw. You know, I remember that. And I remember my brother watching that a lot. But I don't remember watching it. Oh, and there's Huckleberry Hound and Jinxie the Cat and what were the other ones? I hate those Mises to pieces.
I heard those Mises to pieces.
Oh, man. And Huckleberry Hound? No, I already said Huckleberry Hound. Who was the bear? With Boo Boo and Yogi Bear and Boo Boo and the Ranger. Bro, what you think about the air raid siren was when it rotated 360 degrees to piss off your neighbors evenly.
That'll do it.
Yeah, I have it so, like the roof opens up. Saturday and Sunday. If you want, says, funny, Kev. What's Kev? He said, oh, in my ears. I missed something. Dean Stevens says, the Argentines, silver, Spanish conquistadors discovered them in the 1530s during their search for gold. They're looking for gold and they found potatoes.
And they were hungry.
Yeah, you can't eat gold, you can eat potatoes.
Maybe they found that's where the Yukon gold potatoes came
And then
from.
Kevin Smith makes a note here that Dougster discovered potatoes.
Dumpster.
That's what we do.
That makes sense.
Carpal
Alright,
says,
so U-pole etching primer.
that's
pan.
crap.
Yeah, it's the only thing it's good for is the right kind of the right.
Man, I'll tell you that U-pole paint is garbage. Kim, you're making some pretty good pieces there. Now I see what you're asking about the radius stuff. Dean Stevenson said the Chinese had gunpowder. They did. The Peruvian had spuds. And together they could have made a potato gun. But they didn't know each other. Barry Cuda says, who invented the two-stroke expansion chamber?
Do we know?
Don't know.
That's an interesting question.
All my airplanes had two-stroke expansion chamber type exhaust systems on. Not all my airplanes. All the airplanes I had that had two-stroke engines, stuff like that. Kevin Smith. Tano can thank him for the promotion. Oh, there's Tavo. It belong Americas. Americas gave us food and we gave him disease. Americas gave us food and we gave up disease and hurt. D. Stevenson, vodka, Buffalo Camper. Vodka. Dean, I'll let everybody else read that, just because I know I'm not going to read it smoothly enough. Good, is that true?
Alright, just so you understand what I'm up against here, that's the weld. It's not bad for thin metal. And then these boogers right here, come on, focus in. Then that's where I welded it to the, it's welded all into the inner fender there. There you go. Now we have some structure. Come look at this weld. It's pretty freaking good.
It smells like welding over here.
Yeah. Here, tell the camera, because we're...
Oh, you put those screws in there. Alright.
They'll come out. Then we'll get this. Tell the camera, I'm looking at you. What do you think of that weld?
Looks really good. You know, all we have to do is just grind it down a little bit, not even a lot, and then we're going to shoot bed liner all over it. It'll look fine. That's all it's going to take for self-tapping screws.
Edible self-tapping screws. Well, they're non-toxic.
That's how you would construct the hammer.
That'll be close enough. Maybe a little smear of short strand in there or something. But it'll be okay. If you don't... Well, with what were you saying we're going to put bed liner on?
Well, we'll prime it with some... something, you know, like
something,
some,
yeah.
What do you call that primer that I like to use? The primer sealer. Showing off Kim's work as if I did it. Look at what I did. I didn't do this. Kim did this. This is part of the inside of this pickup bed. See, there's this piece and this piece from the Ranger, but they're not long enough. They have to be far apart, so there's got to be something in the middle. So she fabricated this thing, which is extremely strong. You can put some elephant up here and it wouldn't cave in, which is kind of nice. And then this will fit up here. It almost fits right now. And then this piece, which I can't reach, will go over here.
Yeah, you don't worry about reaching.
And so this will be the inside of the pickup bed. It's just got to all be, that's got to be here. But anyway, that's what Kim was doing while I was over there chatting with everybody. Kim's really putting in the work. And then we got the screws, the bolts, the little bolts it takes to put the tailgate in. But we don't have nuts. We just have the bolts. So we got to get some of the appropriate nuts for the bolts, and then we can get the tailgate done, which is what I was going to work on, but I was on the chat instead. So
Then you
did I mumble too much?
Yes.
I probably mumbled too much, because at the end I always drift off to mumbling, and I don't want to do that. I got to speak up at the end. So
say thanks for watching, like, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching, and then like and subscribe. Okay, I don't like to say like and subscribe, but I'm supposed to say that, so I said it.